Got a terrifying message from TurboTax that your return was flagged for potential identity theft? If this sends you into a panic, you're not alone. Today, we're calmly handling an identity theft flag in TurboTax. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. This message means TurboTax's security systems have detected something suspicious, often that a return with your social security number may have already been filed. Step 1. Don't ignore it. Follow TurboTax's guidance. TurboTax will provide specific next steps. This usually involves verifying your identity. You may be directed to use the IRS's identity verification service, which may require a video call with an agent and providing a photo of your ID and selfie. Step 2. File a paper return if necessary. In some cases, after verifying your identity, you may need to print and mail your tax return instead of e-filing. While slower, this is often the surest way to get your legitimate return to the IRS. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: place a fraud alert on your credit. If you suspect you are a victim of tax-related identity theft, immediately contact one of the 3 major credit bureaus to place a fraud alert. This makes it harder for thieves to open new accounts in your name. Also, consider applying for an IRS identity protection PIN for future years. So, just like that, you have a plan to tackle this stressful situation. A methodical response goes a long way in protecting your financial identity. Now I'm curious, have you or someone you know ever been a victim of tax identity theft? How was it resolved? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.